episode, the biggest war will not to be outside, it will be inside Adil heart. He will want to punish everyone who keep the truth from him, but he will also know the anger cannot save Elaine. He must choose where to place his strength. Should he fight to Ismi with execution, or should he fight the enemies holding to Elaine fate? This is choice will define him. Ismi will not to able to escape the past anymore. Every secret has a moment when it stops being a protection and becomes to betrayal. For Adil, that moment has arrived. He will look at to Ismi and see not to only woman he once loved, but also person who stood between him and his daughter. Ismi pain with a real, but Adil pain will be refreshed, and their scene will be heavy to emotional and impossible to forget. Auric will take action with other to trapped in old argument he follow and the path that lead to Elaine. Even if that path is fully trapped, his courage will come from desperation. He will not to calculate every danger because he thought of losing Elaine will be more fighting than enemy. This may to lead him to make a risky confrontation that change the whole direction of the story. Elaine will also show strength. Fear may surrounded her, but fear will not to own her. She will listen, observe, and wait for right moment. In next episode, she may discover something her captor did not want to her know. Their discovery should become the key of escape to reason danger become even worse. Either way, Elaine will prove that the story belonged to her.